Do you want earrings that look just like diamonds but didn't cost you hundreds of dollars and people don't even know the difference? I'm Gina with WTI, and I found all of those things with this incredible set of hoop earrings that I got from JTV. I wear these every day, whether that's working in my yard, going to a special event, or just lounging around the house. They're comfortable and lightweight, and they sparkle like crazy. That's because they're made with cubic zirconia stones. These are platinum plated over sterling silver. They haven't bothered my ears at all, and that metal is going to gleam for a long time. I especially love the design on the larger hoops because instead of having the CZ stones go around the entire outside of the hoop, this actually has half the stones in the front and then on the inner back side of them. So you get that beautiful sparkle from any angle. And I love how dainty the small ones are. They really can be used for everyday wear or for fancy occasions, but they're small enough that I can even sleep in them. I'm impressed by how high quality these hoop earrings are for such a good price, and that's my point of view.